Okay, student. Today we will start with the HCF with division method. So we have already done HCF with the help of factors and prime factors. So today we will learn how to find HCF with division method. So we will be given two number or three number. We have to find the HCF. Suppose I am taking a number 12 and uh, 27. I am taking two number 12 and 27. I have to find the HCF. So first, 27. Okay, now 12 and 27. So first I will divide the greater number with the smaller one. 12 is the smaller one, so I will divide by it. And 27 is the greater one, so this will be the uh, dividend. Okay, so 12, we know 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. So we will use 12 twos are 24 here. And now subtracting we get 3. Now this will be 12 fours are 12. So now my answer will be always this one. So the number I am using for division, so in this process what we have done, this is the remainder. So with this remainder I am dividing this divisor. Okay, I will divide the divisor 12. Now see, I find this 4 as the quotient, so this is the answer. But for this case, for finding HCF, I will not take this as answer, I will take this as answer. That is this is the divisor in this process. Okay, I am dividing 12 with the help of this 3. So here 3 will be my answer. So the HCF of 12 and 27 is 3. Okay, now going to our next example, I am taking 3 numbers there. I will take 3 number and I will find the HCF using that. So let us take 3 number like 25, 75 and 90. Okay, so first I will divide 25. First I will take this 25 and 75 in my division process. After that I will take 90. So 25 and 75. I am taking this. As we know that 25 threes are 75. Okay, so my answer is here. My answer is 25. Means the number used for division, that is 25 is a divisor. So with the help of this 25 will be used to divide this 90 now. So 25, we know here I will get this. Now subtracting I get 15. Now I divide 25 using 15. So I will in this process or in this stage I will divide 25 with the help of 15. So 15 ones are 15. Now subtracting I get 10. Now I will write this 15 here. Now 15 10 ones are 10. So subtracting I get 5. Now 10, I will divide 10 by 5. Okay, now I know that 5 twos are 10. So 5 twos are 10. So this 5 is the answer here. So as this as in this case I see that there is no remainder, so the answer is 2. That is the answer or quotient. But here I will take this answer in the process of HCF. So in this process the HCF of 25, 75 and 90, that is 5. So my answer is 5. So let us take a problem sum and solve that method using this division method. So the question is, among how many people 14 apples and 76 lychees be equally divided? So among how many people, we have to find the that is we have to divide this 14 and 76 14 apples and 76 lychees equally among some number of people. So I have to find that number of people. Okay, now here we have to find the maximum number of people between among whom we can divide these apples and lychees equal. So here what we have to do, we have to find the HCF. So whenever you are asked to find a number that is a maximum number between whom we can divide these apples or lychees, then we have to find the HCF. So here we have to find HCF of 14 and 76. We will not write apple and lychees here, okay? So 14 and 76, we are using the division method. We know 14 fives is 70. 6, 14. 14 twos are 12. 14 threes are 6. Sorry, 2 threes are 6. Sorry. So my answer is 2. So as I can see that maximum uh, among two people maximum I can see equally divide this 14 apple and 76 lychees. So my answer among two people 14 apples and 76 lychees can be divided equally. Okay. Find HCF with other method. So we will find HCF with other method. That is the last method we are going to learn here. That method is very simple. Suppose I am taking two number 9, 12 and 36. Okay. So 9, 12 and 36, I am writing this in a box. Okay. Now, I have to write a number which can divide 9, 12 and 36 at a time. So I have to divide this 9, 12 and 16 with a number. That number should divide these three numbers. Okay, means it cannot happen that I can divide 9 but cannot divide 12. Like I can divide 9 by 3, 12 by 3 and 36 by 3. But I cannot divide 9 by 2. So if I write 2 here, suppose I am writing 2 here. 2 can divide 12 and 36 but it cannot divide 9. So I cannot write 2 here. I have to write 3 as 3 can divide 9, 12 and 36. Okay, so here 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12 and 3 12s are 36. Now in this process I can see if I want to divide it, I can see I can divide it by 3. But if I divide by 3, 3 can divide 3, 3 can divide 12 also, but it cannot divide 4. Now if I take 4, 4 can divide 4, 4 can divide 12, but 4 cannot divide 3. So I cannot divide any number, means I cannot take any number to divide these three numbers. So my answer will be only 3. So the HCF of 9, 12 and 36 is only 3. Okay. Now taking another example that may help you. So taking this number 12, 18 and 36, I will use this process 12, 18 and 36. First I can see I can divide these three numbers by 2, right? 12, that is 6, 9 and this will be 13. Okay. Now here I can see, oh sorry, this will be 18. So here I can see 6 can divide 18 but 6 cannot divide 9, so I cannot take 6. Here I can take one number, that is 3, as 3 can divide 6, 3 can divide 9 and 3 can divide 8. These three numbers can only be divided by 3, so I am writing 3 here. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18. So as I can see in this process, I cannot divide these three numbers using one number. So this is my answer, that is 2 into 3. That is HCF of 12, 18 and 36 is 2 into 3, that is 6. So my answer is 6. This is a very important sum. Here 90 liters of oil and 30 liters of petrol have to be kept in tins of identical size without mixing them. So I cannot mix oil and petrol. Okay, at least how many tins will be required? So how many numbers of tins we need to fill this 90 liters of oil and 30 liters of petrol? And second question is how much oil would each tin hold? Now Here's the question is at least. So I have already told, if someone asks you about maximum number of teens, if they would ask you that maximum number of something, then we would have find that HCF. But here they are asking at least. But here also we will do HCF, because here they are asking that at least how many teens will be required. So the least number of teens will be required if each teen hold maximum number of oil, maximum amount of oil. That means we have to find the HCF here, because each tin have to hold maximum amount of oil, so that we will require least number of tin. যদি এক একটা টিনে সবচেয়ে বেশি অ্যামাউন্ট অফ অয়েল ফিল করতে পারি, দেন উই উইল নিড এ লিস্ট নাম্বার অফ টিনস, বিকজ তখন উই উইল নিড লেস নাম্বার অফ টিনস। এক একটা টিনে there are maximum amount of oil, so we would be required less number of tins. That means we have to find HCF. So least number of teens would be required if each teen hold maximum amount of oil. That is, therefore we have to find HCF of 90 and 30. So let us find. We can use any method. I am using division method here. So 30 and 90, as I divide it by 3, I can see that this will be my answer. That is, the 30 will be my answer. So the least number of teens will be required, that is the 30. So I require 30 teens. Okay, so the answer of first question, that at least how many teens will be required, the question of that so the answer of that question will be 30 teens will be required. Now the second question is, how much oil would each tin hold? Oil and petrol, oil or petrol. So to find that, what we have to do, we have to divide this 90 by 30 and 30 by 30, so that I can find it. So in each tin 90 liters, 90 liters of, we will write it as each tin will hold 90 divided by 30, that is 3 liters of oil, and each tin will hold 30 divided by 30, that is 1 liters of petrol. This would be my answer. So the answer of my second question, that how much oil or petrol would each tin hold, so the first question answer is 3 liters of oil and 1 liters of petrol. So today we have done this chapter HCF. So you have to do some homework. For that you will do find HCF. You have to find HCF of these numbers. Okay, and now taking this and okay, you have to find the HCF of this 3 examples. So these are your homework. You have to do it. You can post your answer personally, or you can write the answer on the comment section of this video. You can also ask for help, any help if you need, um, or you can directly post the question in this YouTube video. So today we have completed this chapter HCF.